Out right there in that ice field, that's a crashed Air Force bomber. That's where we're headed. So this plane is a TB-29 Super Fortress. It's the training version of the B-29 Super Fortress, which is the same type of plane that dropped the 2 atomic bombs on Japan. This crash happened in 1957. The plane had 10 crew members and was coming back from a training mission and got off course and lost in some bad weather and struck this mountain. One of the 4 survivors was able to get his wounded comrades wrapped up in parachutes and things and keep them warm until help could arrive. It's been pretty sobering but pretty cool to see this wreckage, and I'm glad I made it here and put in the effort. But it was quite the effort. I've been hiking for 7.5 hours and it's a lot later than I thought it was going to be.